So today in this video I would like to share how to use capacitive proximity sensor with a relay, 12V and 12V solenoid door lock. So the first thing, you have to have 12V power supply here, and of course you're going to have sensor and 12V relay and 12V solenoid door lock. So this will detect both metal and plastic and any object that will detect. So the wiring is from here. I'm going to explain. So I'm going to remove first. So the first thing I'm going to explain about the sensor here. The sensor have 3 wires. So the wire is written on the sensor part number here. So brown is positive. So brown positive I connect to positive here, and blue is negative. Negative I connect negative here, and black is a signal. So signal I will connect to the relay. So brown connect to positive here, and blue connect to negative here, and this is the signal. So the signal we connect to relay pin number 14. So this relay has 8 pins. So the important is the coil of the relay. So this relay is 12V DC. So 12V DC is required to have 12V power supply to trigger on and off for relay. So the sensor will give the signal to the relay, and once there is a signal go inside this 12V relay, and the relay will be turning on. So from the other side we must have 12V power supply to give the power for this relay. So the relay have 8 pins, and here is written the diagram here. Pin number 13 and pin number 14 is the coil. This will require to have one side is signal wire and the other side will have positive wire. So we're going to use the base directly. So pin number 13 and 14 is the coil for input. So pin number 14 I use the signal pin sensor here. The pin number 14 is positive. So positive I directly connect to the positive power supply here. So sensor positive and the relay pin number 13 connect together to the positive of 12V power supply, and sensor negative is connect to 12V power supply negative, and the sensor signal connect to pin number 14 of the relay, which is one side of the coil. And here I have the loop 1 wire positive. From positive we loop to pin number 9, which will be common. So now I'm going to use 12V power supply here. So I turn it on 12V power supply. Now the sensor I can use it. So once they detect the object, then the sensor is detect and the relay is on. So to be able to connect this 12V door lock, this door lock has 2 wires. One red is positive. So positive we connect to pin number 5. Pin number 5 is normally open one side. Even though this relay has 8 pins, we are going to use only for one side, one contact. So if you want to control one more solenoid, then you can use the other side here. But I'm going to use only one solenoid, so I'm going to use only for one side here. So positive will connect to pin number 9 and out to pin number 5. So this positive wire will still connect to the solenoid. And this negative wire negative wire directly you can connect to pin number 14. Either you connect to pin number 14 or you can still connect to here 12 volt power supply negative. So, but I'm going to use here. It's the same thing. So wiring is complete. So just remember, you have 12 volt power supply. You must have 12 volt power supply to be able to run this project, because we are using 12 volt relay. If you use 24 volt relay, then you can use 24 volt DC power supply, because this sensor we still can use between 6 to 36 volt. So you can use 24 volt relay, but if you use 24 volt relay, you must have 24 volt power supply. If you use 12 volt relay, you must use 12 volt power supply. And the output, of course, this depends on the loop as well. So this is 12 volt solenoid. That's why I can directly use from the same power supply here. 12 volt power supply will connect to 12 volt door lock and 12 volt relay. So this is very convenient and perfect. So I hope this video will help for someone those who want to do this kind of project, and thank you for watching my video.